A landmark settlement, Ripple and the SEC find common ground. The protracted legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has finally reached a conclusion. The two parties agreed to a $50 million settlement, marking a pivotal moment in the history of cryptocurrency regulation. This agreement brings to a close years of uncertainty and legal wrangling that have captivated the crypto world. The genesis of a crypto clash, a look back at the 2020 lawsuit. The legal battle between Ripple and the SEC dates back to December 2020, when the regulatory agency filed its lawsuit. The SEC alleged that Ripple had raised over $1.3 billion through the sale of XRP in an unregistered securities offering. The SEC argued that Ripple had marketed and sold XRP to investors as an investment contract, promising them profits based on the efforts of Ripple itself. Ripple countered by asserting that XRP was a decentralized currency used for cross-border payments, not an investment vehicle. XRP's price plummeted in the wake of the announcement, and several major cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase, suspended trading of the token. Deconstructing the deal, $50 million, and what it means for Ripple. The $50 million settlement is significantly less than the $125 million fine initially imposed by the court. This reduction is seen by many as a victory for Ripple, signaling a potential weakening in the SEC's case. Importantly, the settlement does not require Ripple to admit any wrongdoing. Ripple has agreed to abide by certain restrictions on its future sales of XRP. The settlement includes provisions for Ripple to distribute a portion of the $50 million to XRP holders impacted by the SEC's lawsuit. Section 4. The settlement's impact on Ripple and the crypto market. The settlement has been met with mixed reactions from the cryptocurrency community. Some see it as a positive development, signaling a willingness on the part of the SEC to engage with the crypto industry. For Ripple, the settlement represents a significant victory, allowing the company to move forward without the uncertainty and legal costs. Ripple has announced plans to expand its operations, focusing on its cross-border payment network and other blockchain-based solutions. Section 5, Looking Ahead. Ripple's trajectory and the future of crypto regulation. With the SEC lawsuit behind it, Ripple is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for blockchain-based financial solutions. The company has established partnerships with major financial institutions, and its cross-border payment network is gaining traction as a faster and more cost-effective alternative to traditional systems. The settlement is likely to have a lasting impact on the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies. The SEC, under new leadership, has shown a willingness to engage in dialogue with the crypto industry and explore regulatory frameworks that foster innovation while mitigating risks. This shift in approach is a positive sign for the long-term growth and adoption of cryptocurrencies. As the industry matures, we can expect to see more regulatory frameworks emerge, providing much-needed certainty for businesses and investors alike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cryptocurrency and blockchain news.